Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial. So today we're going to be doing just a regular smartphone. Yeah, we're going to start off with the default cube, just scale it outwards and so you've roughly got the shape of a smartphone. Now we're going to scale it down so you've roughly got the back of one right there. Okay, so I mean you could do this in any way that you wanted really, depending on what model of phone you're modeling. I'm just going to go with like a generic shape. But you guys can go for something else. So, what we're going to do, select the top, we're going to have curved edges. So E for extrude, just go up slightly and then just bring it in, scale inwards. And then we're going to do the same on the back as well. E, and then just scale inwards so it's curved. And then for the screen, we're just going to go ahead and select the top face, E for extrude, but don't move it, and then we're going to just scale in just ever so slightly. I mean you could include buttons on the bottom if you wanted to, but to be honest with you, like most smartphones have the little buttons integrated within the touch screens now, so that's going to be different. Okay, so what you want to do on this part is you want two different colours. So you've got the original material, which we're going to rename the phone back. And then you're going to want to make a secondary material with this. So press the plus button, go to new, and this is going to be screen. So screen is just going to be for the front of the phone, the rest of it will be the phone back, but if you want to create a different back for the phone, then you can make a third colour if you'd like. I'm going to do that in a second, but for the screen we're just going to click assign, and then we're going to go here and we're just going to make it a little bit grey and a little bit reflective as well. Now you can add stuff on here in the shading tab if you wanted to. You could have a photo, just make sure that you size it up. Okay, so we've got that now. I'm just going to go ahead and change my engine here, which is cycles, should be cycles. I'm going to shade it smooth. Now usually, like, especially if you've got like a few phone brands, I don't think I can mention brands on here, but a few phone brands have the drop off edges at the side, but we're just going to go with generic phones for today. So if we go for the underside right here, the first thing that we can add is a cylinder, and we're just going to scale that down a little bit, bring it up, and just sit it right at the back here. Now this is the part where it gets a little bit tricky. You don't want it to poke through the top, but you want to just make it just thin enough that it pokes through the back. So we're going to go with a texture on this one. We're going to change this one to black. And then what we can do with this is we're going to right click and shade smooth. Oh, sorry, go into your object mode, right click, shade smooth. Then what you want to do, go to edit mode again, select the face on top, press E for extrude, but don't move it, scale inwards ever so slightly, and then E for extrude, and we're going to go down, but don't clip the phone, just have it just there. Now you're going to make a secondary material on this item as well, so of course we're going to press plus in the corner, press new. We're going for a silver, but we're going to go full metallic and roughness down. So when we render, we'll see like this. Now, obviously press assign. So you want to go, this is camera lens. Sorry, my mistake. Camera lens. Then we'll call this one camera base. So your camera lens, you're going to want to assign that. So now a lot of phones do have a backing to their cameras, so we're gonna put a few of these just at the side. So Shift D to duplicate. Just move it across. Make sure that you're moving on one axis, so you're not going like this. So they're all at the same height. We're gonna go put one down here, maybe another one here. Have one of those phones where it's like weirdly covered in lenses, which is every smartphone nowadays. Yeah, so something like that would be real great. Now, what we're going to want to do is put a back to this, just to enclose them a little bit. Now, you can use a cube to do this. Yeah, I'm going to use a cube. So just go ahead. I've just gone back onto the viewport shading here. Go ahead, put this over the top. You might want to use this one, which is the X-ray. You can use that on viewport shading on the second option. So just scale it down so it just sits under the lenses, but it doesn't clip the actual phone itself. I think I got that one right. So you're going to want to just gently come up. Now, here's the thing, right? So you come up there and you notice that the lenses are now being obscured. So what you want to do with that one, bring your lenses up. So we're just going to finish off this part just here, just to smooth it out a little bit. So I want, come on, I want that face. Right, yeah. I want to select that face and that face. Just going to press E for extrude. And then we're going to go S for scale, bring it down a little bit. S for scale, bring it in a little bit, just so that it smooths off. Oh. Oh, wait a minute. There's just my save files. Right, yeah. Okay, so we've now got this. For some reason my save files decided to pop up. Right, now I don't want that in the center. Just gonna go Control R. Just scope it here, just at the side, so it's got kind of a little bevel around the edge. And then go back into object mode, right click, smooth shade, and we are going to go with maybe, I would say a white for the back. So now I'm going to go ahead and select all my lenses. So just click, press shift, hold, and just click all your lenses here. And then we're just going to press G, bring them up. Let me see. Do I want a sixth one on there? Actually, does look like it deserves a sixth one. So you got that space. So of course this is just a generic kind of phone layout. Just click all those. There we go. So now this back, I want to change this back of the phone. So we're going to go into edit mode. Just select the back. I'm going to take this X-ray off actually. Face. Yep. Okay, so I'd like a kind of green colour. So we're going to add another colour to this. Click assign. And then we're going to go with kind of like a greeny kind of colour maybe. I'm just going to put this onto object mode so we can see that a little better. That's that's too green, I think. That's pretty cute. So you kind of have this nice smartphone going on. So, I mean, you can add a logo at the bottom there, you can add some details at the bottom there, a little bit of text, like they have like the terms and conditions on the bottom of phones as well, I've seen. So yeah, that's basically the phone shape. So now, depending on how your phone will function and depending on the brand of your phone, you're probably going to want some USBs, you're probably going to want some little places to charge things. So I mean, we're going to go E for extrude, and this will be the charge port, scale it down a bit, E for extrude, and then you could have it that way. Then you could go E for extrude, scale it inwards. So if you guys can see what I'm doing here. and then you kind of have a point. Now, let me think. So, yeah, here you go inwards. You just go into the phone right there, and that's charge port. So yeah, that's the basic premise of a smartphone. You guys can add to that, but yeah, that's just basic generic kind of looking smartphone with curved corners. Please don't sue me. You know what company I'm talking about. But yeah. If you guys are interested in any more tutorials, there's plenty on my page. I'm trying to get a tutorial done every single day for this month. So, yeah, if you guys liked, please subscribe, please follow if you're on Facebook. Yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.